ka mga idol, tuloy-tuloy lang. More pa sa mga kasamahan namin. Ayun lang.
Vloggers of Orbital started with a simple group. It all started with respect and acceptance to each other, magpa-English. Nagsimula kami maliit lang, tapos alam mo yung walang comparison, walang tumitingin kung ano yung followers mo, kung ilang followers mo. It all started pantay-pantay. So, through that respect, ganun kami dumami ngayon. So, because of the effort din talaga ng president namin, si President Jay, grabe yung effort niya, the officers, daddy. So, because of that, nag-expand po kami. And hope to see more vloggers also sa Zamboanga City. You're welcome to join just PM us on our page sa Vloggers of Orbital na Zamboanga City Sector. Para at least you can meet us also and be part of our family. Thank you.